Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how my sister applied my false lashes for me. If you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. For the eyelash application, you will need a pair of false lashes, tweezers, a pair of scissors, and of course, lash glue. So instead of applying the full lash, my sister actually cut the lashes into little strips. Once she had all the little strips, she went ahead and dipped each strip into the eyelash glue. Once the lash glue became tacky, she applied them one by one. Let's go ahead and get started. That's it. It's finished. I can't do nothing with you. I have an eyebrow curler, eyelash. I like this because it covers stupid ugly eyelids. Unless I think it covers it. Like, look at this. It looks like I have a tumor. What if it's a cancer in my eye?
Did you have it checked already?
Is there eye cancer? This looks crazy. It looks like I have no eyelashes. That's why they say eyelashes make such a difference. Alright guys, so here's the finished product of my Ardell wispy lashes.